We are so glad that you have taken the next step in your efforts to become a professional director. The information in this video will help you optimize the value of your IoDSA membership. As owners of the King 4 report on corporate governance as well as its 3 predecessors, the IoDSA is a vital partner for all directors in South Africa. Since you are now an IoDSA member, you can use the post-nominal M-Inst D on all your stationery and digital profiles as a symbol of your formal association with the highly respected IoDSA brand. The first step towards making sure that you don't miss on the full value of your membership is updating your IoDSA profile. To do so, download and install the IoDSA app from the Google Play or App Store, or go to www.iodsa.co.za and sign in with your IoDSA username and password. Next, you need to click on the Manage Profile link and update any incorrect or missing information. If you experience any problems with logging into your profile on either the IoDSA app or website, please ask our membership team to assist you by sending an email to membership@iodsa.co.za. You can also ask them for assistance on how to make use of any of your membership benefits. Your benefits as an IoDSA member are split into 2 main categories: professional benefits and career benefits. Every director should remain up to date on the latest amendments to South African legislation. The Contemporary Gazette makes this easy by providing you with summaries and highlights in an electronic searchable publication. Your monthly copy of the latest Contemporary Gazette will be delivered straight to your email box, so please ensure that your IoDSA membership profile is updated with your preferred email address. You also have access to an archive of previous editions of the Contemporary Gazette. The easiest way to access the archive is to go to our website and search for Contemporary Gazette, or go to Member Benefits in our app. In addition to the Contemporary Gazette, you will receive ad hoc governance alerts on key matters impacting directors in our quarterly Governance Matters newsletter via email. Our newsletter keeps you up to date on our latest publications and other technical information. Your IoDSA membership also includes complimentary access to the Get Abstract online library of book summaries. To start exploring, visit www.getabstract.com/portal/IoDSA and follow the sign-up instructions or make use of the Get Abstract app. Business Brief Online Magazine is a complimentary bi-monthly online magazine and a dynamic platform rooted in Africa with content tailored to directors and business professionals. IoDSA members qualify for complimentary or discounted attendance to a selection of exclusive in-person and online events, launches, and networking functions. Some of the most popular events include our annual Golf Day, our monthly Boardroom Bites at 9, IoDSA paper launches, and other technical events. You will receive your invitations to these events via email, and you can also view the latest events calendar on the IoDSA app or website. In support of your dedication to becoming a better director and keeping your professional development up to date, your IoDSA membership benefits includes discounts on a range of presentations, workshops, and courses included in the IoDSA Individual Director Development Programs. To ensure that your discount is applied automatically, please make sure that you are signed into your profile on the IoDSA app or website before registering for a training event. Should your board as a whole like to undergo director development, our customized board development programs will be of interest. IoDSA corporate members enjoy a 15% discount off our in-house group programs. Through your IoDSA membership, you also qualify for free high-level King 4 technical support. To log your query, simply go to iodsa.co.za navigate to Services for Boards and then free King 4 technical support, or simply go to Governance Advisory FAQs in our app. As a member, you also have access to a library of governance frequently asked questions and case summaries relating specifically to King 4. For more information, visit our website or access this through our app. If you require more in-depth customized King 4 governance services, our King 4 Governance Advisory Department can provide you with assistance with King 4 assessments and related implementation advice and workshops. To learn more about these services or to request a proposal, please visit our Advisory Services website page under the Services for Boards tab or email advisory@iodsa.co.za. IoDSA corporate members enjoy a 15% discount off our King 4 advisory services. Because your role as director requires you to speak in front of people more frequently and with more confidence, your IoDSA membership qualifies you for discounted access to the Toastmasters Speechcraft program. You can find the dates of the next program on offer in our events calendar. If you're feeling overwhelmed by all the information we've shared up to this point, don't despair. We will send you our bi-monthly e-directorship newsletter that contains highlights of IoDSA member achievements, activities, and as well as reminders of upcoming events and opportunities. The next set of benefits is designed to broaden your directorship career prospects. You will be among the first to know about new board positions available, as our members have exclusive access to director vacancies advertised with the IoDSA by a wide range of organizations. We will send notifications of these advertised vacancies to the email address listed on your membership profile. You can also view available vacancies on our website or in our app. The automatic availability of your CV for non-executive directorship vacancies is one of the most valuable membership benefits. To make sure you are considered for vacancies when companies commission a search of the IoDSA membership base, be sure to update your CV when you are signed into your IoDSA profile on our app or website. One of the specifications companies often require when they search for a new director to join their board is a director designation. The IoDSA director designations will set you apart from other applications received for directorship vacancies. The Certified Director designation is aimed at recognizing knowledge underpinned by our Director Competency Framework. The Chartered Director (SA) designation is aimed at recognizing mastery of directorship and requires demonstration of a proven track record of directorship experience against all 30 competencies within the Director Competency Framework. For more information on obtaining a Certified Director or Chartered Director (SA) designation, visit our website or email our certification team on certification@iodsa.co.za. Once you've become a certified director, you now have the opportunity to put your knowledge into practice through the Board Enhancement Program. This program is designed to increase the number of certified directors serving on boards through both pro bono and remunerated board positions. The IoDSA recognizes that many NPOs and SMEs require the expertise that certified directors can offer. So we created an opportunity for certified directors to contribute meaningfully to the country while gaining the experience to open doors to future board opportunities. To further enhance their prospects, certified directors are now able to join the IoDSA mentoring program, where they will be paired with a chartered director to take their skills to the next level. To learn more about the board enhancement and mentoring programs, visit our website or contact our certification team on certification@iodsa.co.za. In addition to all these benefits, IoDSA members will have exclusive access to the IoDSA Publications Library, a much-referenced online repository of knowledge that includes all our guidance notes and technical webinars. In order to access the library, a guidance paper or webinar, please sign in using your member profile details. You can also follow us on social media for the latest announcements and media activity. We trust that this overview will go a long way in helping you make the most of your IoDSA membership benefits. If you missed a few details, please refer to your welcome letter, our website, or our app for a reminder. If you require any additional information or if anything is unclear, please email one of our teams for personalized assistance. We look forward to getting to know you as we strive together to develop better directors, better boards, and better business.